VSK is the national exhibition for the Netherlands, and we face all the installers, electrical and HVAC, on this exhibition. So for us as Resideo, really important to be present.
Where a lot of persons are talking about is, well, there are new governmental changes and there will be new legislation. It is very important for us.
All the different channels are here, not only with the professionals, but to meet them and to meet their customers, because they come here with their questions and with their customers' questions.
So when you look to the name of the show, it's called VSK+E. That stands for electrical. And what you see in this exhibition is that the electrical part is really moving into the HVAC. So you really see partner and strategy integration. And that's what the most common scene here is. Electrical and HVAC are meeting each other.